Hi, John Morgan here with the Keep Growing podcast. This week we're covering week 39 of 2024, Saturday, September 21st to Saturday, September 28th. Tomorrow, Sunday, September 22nd at 8:43 a.m. is the autumnal equinox, the first day of fall. At 8:43 a.m., the sun will be aligned directly with the equator on its daily progression south toward the winter solstice. Tuesday, the 24th, is the last quarter moon. Traditionally, the last quarter moon is a barren time. Now is the time to turn compost, clean up your landscape for fall, and till your garden before winter. For the Mothman Festival in Point Pleasant this weekend, we're looking at a chance for some passing showers on Saturday. Then on Monday and Tuesday, we're going to have some stormy weather, followed by a cool down into the 70s. Compared to the heat of summer, it will definitely feel like fall has arrived. Gardening tasks that can be done this week, according to the Extension Office garden calendar, are seed greens, carrots and leeks in a cold frame or high tunnel, plant elephant garlic and hyacinths, harvest storage onions, save heirloom tomato seeds, and bring rosemary plants indoors before frost. When the cold weather starts to creep in, it's time to think about saving your herb garden for cozy winter cooking. Bringing your herbs inside isn't just about keeping them alive, it's about having fresh herbs for your recipes all year round. Now, moving herbs like basil, rosemary, or mint indoors isn't just a drag and drop thing. You've got to find the sunniest spot in your home. Think of that bright windowsill that always catches the afternoon sun. But even there, you might need to trick them into thinking they're still outside with some grow lights, especially for the sun lovers like basil. Don't forget, these little green buddies need their pots to drain well. So if you're repotting, make sure there's a hole at the bottom. A little snip here and there will keep them from getting too leggy during the winter. By bringing your herbs in, you're not just gardening, you're keeping a bit of summer alive in your home. Plus, there's something super satisfying about snipping off fresh herbs for dinner in the dead of winter. Now is the time to start looking forward to cooler weather, preparing for the first frosts of fall, and of course, keep growing. For show notes and a full transcript, visit bobsmarket.com/keepgrowing. For questions, comments, and smart remarks, send an email to keepgrowing@bobsmarket.com.